Hello friends, welcome to Excel Skill Corner. Topic of this video is data validation. Data validation is like a set of rules which we can assign to the columns which will restrict the person from entering wrong data in the table. This is done through data validation from Data tab. If the data entered is not in accordance with the rules assigned, the table will not accept the data. There are various types of options in the validation criteria from which we can select how we want the data to be entered, like any value, whole number, decimal, list, date, time, text length, custom, etc. For this, we have to first select the whole column and then click on data validation. For example, select the serial number column. In data validation, select the validation criteria as whole number since we want only numbers here. Further, put the validation to accept numbers between 1 and 10. Now, we can try entering data. When numbers from 1 to 10 are entered, the system accepts the data. But when 15 is entered, the system shows an error message and we cannot save our work with the wrong data. This is how we set the validations, which will ensure the precision of the data. There are times when the same data, for example, employee name, will be used in some other tables. The same name of the same person should not be dissimilar in other connected tables even if entered carelessly. The best method for this is to create a list of the names from the master data. This will ensure that only these names are entered in any other connected tables. Even the spellings cannot be changed. To create a list, select the employees column and take list option in data validation. Select the source and click OK. Now, this list will be displayed in the drop-down of the employee name column and we can select the names from the list. Suppose we are typing anything wrong, then the system will show an error message. It is a time-saving option as well as a method to avoid discrepancy in the data. The most common headache is in the number of digits of mobile numbers. Mobile number is a 10-digit number, whereas the data entered can be either 9 or 11 digits by mistake. To put a control on this, select the contact details column and text length option can be used. We can put the text length equal to 10 digits. Now, we will try entering the data. When the number of digits is other than 10, the system shows an error message. This will ensure that the mobile number is always in 10 digits. We can set a validation to accept the data which is within a period. For example, we would like to collect the data of employees who have joined the company within a specific period. To do this, select the date of joining column and select date as criteria. Also, select the period like between this date to that date. For example, between 2016 and 2018. We need the data of employees joined in this period. Other than that, the system displays an error message. Validation can be set also in the same way. Select the starting time column and in the validation criteria, select time and give the range of the time. So this is a good control system which will help to collect data perfectly if implemented when creating a table and before entering the data. We can give a message to the person to inform him about the data to be entered into a particular cell. For example, contact number. We can specify the number to be entered as either personal number or office number or work number. Click on the first cell and select data validation and go to the input message tab. Give the title as phone number and in the input message, give a message. For example, personal number and click OK. The message will be visible when the person clicks on the cell. So, these are the validations frequently used. With that said, I'm signing off. Let us meet again in a new video with a new topic.